Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Bhavna.
Good evening, ma'am.
Bhavna, what was your homework?
Ma'am, you just asked homework first.
Yes,
I've done it, ma'am.
sure.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Just send me a click on the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I barely say trust students, that's why.
Ma'am, or else can you see this?
Uh, this, wait, I'll
Okay, ma'am, I'll send you.
yeah, just send me, no? It will be better.
I mean, I've done.
But I didn't receive.
Ma'am, I've done it in rough. Is it okay?
No issue. This was not that where the teacher has to check like it should be fair and here the photo is that your concept should be clear. You have done now. Well, leave Bhavna. Back to the topic. Bhavna,
Ma'am, I've sent.
let me check. Bhavna, I gave you questions also, I think. I told you na, that you have to do 5 questions.
I've done it, ma'am.
Just so these are the formula mass you have done, na?
Yes, ma'am.
But I gave you question for the moles also. I told you that
Ma'am, you
try to.
didn't give.
I didn't give you questions, but I told you that try to solve questions.
Ma'am, I've done two of the questions. Like
Okay.
this 16 grams of O2.
Okay. No issue, but my main concern is that will you be able to solve that part?
Which part, ma'am? Mole. If
Questions.
mass is given.
Yeah.
Yeah, if mass is given, I can do it, ma'am. Like, I've tried 16 grams of O2 and 14 grams of CO2.
That's no issue. Main thing is that you should be able to solve this thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. My next topic is molar mass, basically. First, I have done atomic mass. That is the mass of an
Yes.
atom. Molecular mass, that is the mass of molecule. And molar mass is basically for 1 mole. What is the mass of 1 mole of a substance? That is my molar mass.
Okay, ma'am.
Like atomic mass is for 1 atom.
Yes, ma'am.
Molecular mass is for 1 molecule. but molar mass is
Yes.
for one mole of a particular substance. Or I can say that mass of 1 mole of a substance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The unit that we were using is gram. So gram, basically what we were saying, that it represents mole. Like we written a 1 gram atom means 1 mole atom.
Yes, ma'am.
1 gram molecule means 1 mole molecules. So whenever you
Yeah.
find that gram is written, like if I say that I am having helium and I write that 4 gram, that the mass of helium is 4 gram. So by noting that the unit is gram, you can say that it is for 1 mole helium, the mass is 4 gram. Or
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can say 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of helium has a mass of 4 gram.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Means gram
Yes,
we
ma'am.
represent whenever we have to use it for 1 mole basically. At that time we use a unit that is gram. Otherwise we use unified, that is U.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the unit concept is clear, that where we have to use
Yes, ma'am.
gram and where we
It will
have
be in
to,
two forms like grams and unit mass, unified
yeah,
mass.
unified mass. Unified mass we
Gram
use in,
refers to mole
yeah,
concept.
correct, correct. For 1 mole we use gram, otherwise we will use unified mass.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, as like if I say that 12 gram carbon, it means 1 mole carbon is having a mass of 12.
Yes,
If I
ma'am.
write 12 gram carbon means 1 mole carbon is having mass 12 gram. Or
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can say that 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon has mass that is equal to 12 gram.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? So
Yes,
whenever
ma'am.
I have to use molar mass, I will use a unit that is gram. And whenever I have to use atomic mass or molecular mass, that time I will use unit U.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The second thing is basically the molar mass. It is only the difference in units. Rest all things are same,
Yes, ma'am.
right? If I say that it is 12U, so you say that one atom of carbon is having a
We
mass of
just
12.
replace the units.
Yeah. So molar mass in grams is numerically equal to atomic, molecular, or formula mass. But the thing is that it is in
Ma'am,
U.
molecular mass is also known as formula mass.
No, formula mass is, molecular mass is also known as formula mass. But the difference is that molecules have discrete units, formula mass have ions.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
We have done this thing, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the thing is that how to calculate the number of moles. Calculating number of moles. How do we calculate it? If I am given any element, for elements, element we know that hydrogen, helium, lithium, calcium, potassium, it is only an element. Okay. The number of mole
Yes, ma'am.
is equal to given mass. As it is element, element means same type of atoms, so it is given mass divided by atomic mass. If we have compound, means molecules. Okay. So for compounds or molecules, the number of moles will be equal to given mass divided by what? Molecular mass.
Molecular mass.
Okay. If we have gases, for gases, what we do? Because in case of gases, we have volume. So number of moles will be equal to
Given volume by
volume given
22.4.
by 22. If it is given that
At
the volume
STP.
STP, standard temperature and pressure. So you have to take 22 liters, 22.4 liters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the standard temperature and pressure? The standard temperature is 273 Kelvin and standard pressure is 1 atm pressure. This is my standard conditions.
Ma'am,
At these,
ATM?
atm is atmospheric pressure.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. These are my STP values.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now just try to do this question. One atom of element X weighs 6.643 into 10 to the power 23 grams. This is the weight of one atom.
Okay, ma'am.
Number of moles of atom in its 20 kg. Try to do this one. Are you trying, Bhavna? Bhavna, are you trying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One thing that you have to do is one atom weight is given to you, but we can say that as the unit is gram. if this is the weight of one atom, so we can multiply it with Avogadro number so that this value will be equal to for 1 mole.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is the weight of one atom, so we have to find 1 mole. And now if I know the mass of 1 mole, then how will moles will be there in 20 kg? This we have to find out in this question, right?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but can you solve it for me once?
Yeah, I will solve, but first you will try.
Okay, ma'am.
At least give it a single try.
Mom, can you do it?
Yeah. See, mass of one atom is what? This one.
Yes, mom.
So mass of Avogadro atoms will be what? Means 1 mole.
6 point.
Correct?
Yes, mom.
Actually, this is 10 to the power minus 23. Otherwise, my value will be very, very large. Just correct it.
Minus.
Because now it will cancel now. Okay. So when we solve this
Okay,
one,
ma'am.
I need to use calculator. 6.02 multiplied by 6.643. It will come about around approx 40.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So mass of 1 mole atom is this one. This is for 1 mole. But
Okay, ma'am.
so 40 gram weighs what? It weighs 1 mole. But I have 20 kg. So 20 kg weigh will what? 40 into 20 into 1000. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be 2, 10, 5. So it will come out 500. So 500 moles of atoms will be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
but why this Avogadro number into this?
Because we have to find the number of moles in 20 kg. So to
Oh,
find the
okay,
number of
ma'am.
moles in 20 kg, I need to know the mass of 1 mole of atoms. Na? Only then I can
Yes, ma'am.
relate it. That's why I multiplied.
Ma'am, but the question is like ways.
Yeah, weighs.
That's what, ma'am. Like one atom of element. Okay, okay.
Element X. It is
Okay.
not multiply, it
Okay.
is element X.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. One more formula to find number of moles when the number of particles are given to you is number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'm going to one more question for you. This number of atoms of element weighs 1.15 gram. Now this weight is for this number of atoms. Okay? You have to find atomic mass of element. As you can see that this way is for this number of atoms. Atomic mass is for one atom only. Getting? Are you there, Bhavna?
Yes, mom.
Yeah.
So here they have given atoms.
Yeah. Hmm.
Mom, is it like that number of atoms have 1.15 grams of weight?
Yeah.
So one atom has how much weight?
You have to relate.
Okay.
See, can I tell you?
Mom, wait. Mom, do it, mom.
See, these atoms weigh this weight. Okay. As this is in grams. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
If I can see, if these atoms are weighing this one, okay, so these atoms we will what? This is my Avogadro number.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 mole, what it will be? This is this one.
Okay, it's because it's in grams.
Yeah. So if I solve it, this comes out 2 and this one. So it will come out 1.15 into 20. That will be how much? So 20 into 1.15. It is 23. So
Okay,
my
ma'am.
these atoms weigh this one, 23
Okay.
grams. Okay. But I have to find atomic mass of an element. So I will write it as 23 U. You can see that here I have written a value statement that molar mass in grams is numerically equal to atomic mass, molecular mass, formula mass in U.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever the value of molar mass I am getting, I will represent it with U unit. So molar mass will be for
Yes.
1 mole. So if these atoms weigh this one, so 1 mole of atoms will weigh how much? It will weigh 23 grams.
Okay, ma'am.
But as I have to represent atomic mass, that's why I use the number this one and the unit as U.
Okay, ma'am.
Concept clear or getting confused?
Clear, ma'am.
Clear hai? Just try to do more and more questions only, then you because more the practice you do na, the more the concept will be clear to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The next topic that we have is basically percentage composition. Percentage composition is what basically that if I am having a molecule, suppose say water. So as per the percentage composition, it is just to say that how much of hydrogen is sorry is present in water, or what percentage of hydrogen is there in water, what percentage of oxygen is present in water.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is my percentage composition. Clear?
Ma'am, can you explain it again once?
Yeah, it is the ratio basically in which it will be clear when I give you an example,
Okay, ma'am.
in which constituents are present in a compound. Like if I say I have CH4, I have to find the percentage composition of carbon in CH4 and the percentage composition of hydrogen in CH4. Okay. So if I say that what is the molar mass for CH4, it will be 16 grams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I have to find the percentage of carbon, so what is the mass of carbon? If I
12.
say that you score 20 marks, you score 400 marks out of 500 marks in your paper. You have 5 subjects and in total you have scored 400 marks out of 500.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So how do you calculate the percentage? 400 divided by 500. Na? In the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way, if I say that I have to check the percentage of carbon. So mass of carbon is 12 and total mass
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what? It is 16. So the
16.
percentage of carbon will be this one. In the same way, if I have to find the percentage of hydrogen, as there are 4 hydrogens, so mass of hydrogen will be 4 divided by 16 multiplied by 100. So it will come out to be 75% and 25%. Right? So I can say the percentage composition of carbon in methane, CH4 is methane basically,
Okay.
in methane is 75 and the percentage composition of hydrogen in methane is 25%.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, where is my cursor? Yeah. Question. Calculate, this is a homework.
Okay,
Mass
ma'am.
percent of,
Which you have thought just now, right, ma'am?
yeah,
It's based on the concept which you have thought just now.
yeah.
Okay.
Or different elements present in, the sum of the percentage composition of all the elements is always 100. Like we
Okay,
check
ma'am.
now that the I have scored this percent of this percent in maths, this percent in English, but overall percentage I
Yes.
take is like na, in the same way we have to do this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Mass percent of different elements in sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4. Okay, just go through the notes once. If you left with time, then we will do the question in the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you done the same thing in the college or something different?
Same thing, ma'am.
All right. Nothing was different there, no?
No, no, ma'am. This mass percentage wasn't taught to me.
All right.
Yes.
Empirical formula you done?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
In chemistry, like we are going with periodic classification
No, but you
in
told her that
one
you have
track.
done about the mole concept and all.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Laws you didn't do.
No, ma'am, no.
No issue. After this, this chapter will be completed in 1 or 2 class, and then we will start as per your choice. Either you want periodic one or the atomic structure.
Okay, ma'am. This basic concepts will be done.
Yeah, this will be completed in hardly 1 or 2 more classes.
Okay, ma'am.
The only thing that we left is with like you have to practice questions.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll?
Unit is clear to you, na? That when we have to use
Yes, ma'am.
which unit. Because in earlier
Yes, ma'am.
classes, it was like creating a problem na, that wherever we have used which one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll? Score. Ma'am, can you scroll? Ma'am, can you scroll? Ma'am, can you scroll? Ma'am, scroll. Done, ma'am. Shall I do the question now?
Yeah, just do it.
Okay.
First, tell me what is the molar mass for Na2SO4? That is sodium sulfate.
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, is it 142?
142 correct.
Ma'am, now I have to calculate the percentage of the three.
Yeah. First, you have to calculate the percentage of sodium.
Okay, ma'am. Sulfur and oxygen.
Yeah. Just tell me that divided by, na, that how much you are dividing by. No need to calculate full.
Ma'am, 46 by 142 into 100.
For what?
Sodium, ma'am.
Okay. For
Sulfur
sodium,
is 32,
for sodium it is 46 divided by 142 into 100.
42.
Okay.
And for sulfur, it's 32 by 142 into 100.
Good.
And for oxygen, it's 64 by 142 into 100.
All right. Now concept is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt in this class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Rest we will continue tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you just
Yeah.
give you first questions like you have given just now, not on this concept, on the mole concept, like the atoms given and the number of atomic mass and all.
Uh, okay. I will send you the questions regarding the mole concept. I will send the
Okay,
questions
ma'am.
to Manisha ma'am and she will send
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye.